Do you feel tired, stressed, and burnt out? Do you need rejuvenation? Here are some ways you can find rest for your body, mind, and spirit. Practice good sleep hygiene. Go to bed early, have a comfortable environment, eliminate night lights and screen time just before bed. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Also, you can rest your body by relaxing daily and even devoting a whole day each week to recreation. And don't forget to schedule in a holiday for a yearly rest to fully switch off from your usual activities. What about rest for the mind? Take time out to quiet your mind and reduce stress. Avoid negative thoughts and focus on the positive. We experience rest for the spirit when we have contentment and peace inside. The deepest peace comes when we learn to live in harmony with God and with the people around us.
Find out more about Cedarvale at cedarvaleretreat.com.au.